The Iranian Army's 15 Khordad air defense system and offensive Arash drone have successfully intercepted and destroyed mock hostile targets during the Army's ongoing Zolfaghar 1403 joint military maneuvers in the country's south. According to Brigadier General Alireza Sheikh, spokesperson for the drills, the Iranian Air Defense Force used the indigenous 15 Khordad system to identify and neutralize mock enemy airborne targets that had been placed within its range by the country's integrated air defense network on Tuesday. The operation involved detection, tracking, and interception of the incoming threats, he added. The official detailed how the apparatus performed flawlessly during the exercises, relying on data provided by the Zolfaghar passive discovery and location system, which is capable of pinpointing hostile aircraft's exact three-dimensional coordinates. This information was then relayed to engagement systems, enabling them to accurately destroy the target, he stated. The spokesman emphasized that the Zolfaghar system, which operates without emitting signals, is undetectable to enemy radars, providing a strategic advantage. Sheikh also highlighted the importance of utilizing a secure, multi-layered communication network to ensure efficient and stable coordination among various air defense components, including detection and identification systems, visual observers, missile systems, and data transfer networks. Such an integrated network enables effective decision-making in confronting enemy threats, leading to the success of assigned operations, he remarked. The spokesman, meanwhile, noted that one of the key aspects of this phase of the Zolfaghar 1403 drills was the implementation of passive defense measures, aimed at protecting the Army's air defense systems and preventing the enemy from accessing information about the country's forces, thus ensuring their operational security. As the maneuvers continued, the Arash Offensive Unmanned Aerial Vehicle, UAV, also successfully completed a critical mission by destroying its designated target. Providing additional details on the operational success, Sheikh said the aircraft, a long-range, attack-capable UAV, flew a distance of 1,200 kilometers, 745 miles, to strike its target with precision. Observers say the operation showcased Iran's advancements in drone technology and its ability to carry out long-range strikes with a high level of accuracy, further cementing the country's growing military capabilities in the region. These maneuvers, which are designed to simulate real-world combat scenarios, continue to underscore the Islamic Republic of Iran's air defense readiness and its commitment to maintaining a robust and integrated defense network to safeguard its national security, they note. In addition, the Iranian Army has debuted a new advanced jet during major joint maneuvers enlisting the force's various divisions in the country's southern coastline and waters as well as part of the Indian Ocean. This operation highlighted the high level of coordination and capability within the Air Force to execute complex aerial missions, he noted. Emphasizing the success of the joint operation, Sheikh reiterated that this exercise demonstrated the excellent coordination and cooperation among different aircraft in the Air Force. The successful participation of the Yak-130 in this exercise paves the way for broader use of this jet in future missions and strengthens the country's defensive capabilities. Observers say the landmark achievement not only demonstrates Iran's growing technological advancements in military aviation, but also exemplifies the increasing capabilities of the Iranian Air Force to adapt to encounter emerging aerial threats. The armed forces of the Islamic Republic, encompassing both the Army and the Islamic Revolution Guards Corps, IRGC, have been tirelessly upgrading their military capabilities and combat preparedness in accordance with the guidance of leader of the Islamic Revolution Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei. The forces have reaffirmed their unwavering commitment to safeguard the nation's sovereignty and territorial integrity, pledging to stay ready to confront any threats posed by the Iranian people's enemies. Meanwhile, according to Sayyari, the exercises would include trialing of new weapons, such as intelligent, accurate, and surgical strike missiles, as well as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. The drills would also test the readiness of cutting-edge technologies, such as cyber warfare, electronic warfare, and emerging technologies that could redefine future battlefields, he said.